Hello friends, today we learn how to make auto on water pump in morning circuit. For making this project we need some components. 6-volt relay, LDR, 2N2222 transistor, 100K variable resistor, 1N4007 diode, on-off switch, 9-volt battery, battery clip, soldering wire, soldering iron, PCB board. First make circuit diagram. 6-volt relay has 5 pin. Connect diode with coil pin. Relay upper pin and center pin use for output switch. Now connect transistor collector with diode. Now connect variable resistor first 2 pin with transistor base and emitter. And third pin connect with LDR. Now connect LDR second side with positive wire. And finally connect 9-volt battery with on-off switch. 2N2222 NPN transistor has 3 pin. First emitter, second base and third collector. Now connect all components on PCB board using circuit diagram. Project is ready for your test. I want every morning when sunrise, then water pump on automatically. You can see when light come on LDR then switch on, and water pump start working. And when we remove light, then water pump auto off. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos so please tell in comments. And don't forget to subscribe our channel.